This Instant Pot 4-quart Rio Mini 7-in-1 multi-cooker is a thoughtfully engineered appliance created for people who want maximum cooking versatility without sacrificing space, simplicity, or style. Developed by Instant Pot, this compact multi-cooker brings together 7 essential cooking functions in a form factor that feels purpose-built for modern lifestyles. Whether you are a student cooking in a dorm, a professional with limited time, or a small household that values efficiency, this appliance is designed to streamline daily meal preparation while delivering consistent, high-quality results. What immediately sets the Rio Mini apart is how intentionally compact it feels without compromising functionality. The 4-quart capacity is optimized for up to 4 servings, making it ideal for everyday meals rather than oversized batch cooking that often leads to leftovers and wasted food. Despite its smaller footprint, the cooking surface is comparable to an 8-inch pan, which means sautéing vegetables, browning proteins, or simmering sauces feels natural and unrestricted. This balance between size and usability makes the Rio Mini an excellent choice for kitchens where counter space is limited but expectations for performance remain high. The core of this appliance is its 7-in-1 functionality, which combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice cooking, yogurt making, and warming into a single, cohesive system. This versatility allows users to replace multiple appliances with one streamlined solution, reducing clutter and simplifying decision-making in the kitchen. Pressure cooking alone transforms the way meals are prepared, reducing cooking times by up to 70% compared to traditional slow methods, while still preserving flavor and texture. For busy schedules, this time efficiency can be the difference between cooking at home and relying on takeout. Ease of use is a defining strength of the Instant Pot Rio Mini, particularly through its progress indicator that provides cooking status at a glance. Instead of guessing or constantly checking the lid, users can clearly see where they are in the cooking cycle, which adds confidence and reduces stress. The anti-spin design of the inner pot further enhances usability by keeping the pot stable during stirring and sautéing, a small but meaningful detail that makes hands-on cooking smoother and safer. These thoughtful engineering choices reflect a clear understanding of real-world cooking habits. The rosewater finish adds a distinctive aesthetic element that separates this model from traditional stainless steel or black appliances. It introduces a modern, soft color that feels intentional rather than decorative, allowing the cooker to complement contemporary kitchen designs instead of fading into the background. For users who care about how their kitchen looks as much as how it functions, this visual upgrade adds emotional appeal and makes the appliance feel like a permanent, welcome fixture on the countertop. Performance consistency is another area where the Rio Mini excels. The 800-watt power output is calibrated specifically for the 4-quart size, ensuring efficient heat distribution without overcooking or scorching. Pressure-cooked meals come out tender and evenly cooked. Rice settings produce reliable textures, and yogurt programs maintain stable temperatures for successful fermentation. The inclusion of a stainless steel steam rack expands cooking options further, making it easy to prepare vegetables, seafood, or dumplings without direct contact with liquid. Cleanup is refreshingly simple, which is often a deciding factor for daily use appliances. The dishwasher-safe lid and stainless steel inner pot eliminate the frustration of scrubbing stubborn residue, while the smooth interior surface resists sticking and staining. This ease of maintenance encourages frequent use and removes one of the most common barriers to home cooking. When cleanup feels effortless, cooking naturally becomes more enjoyable and sustainable as a routine. Safety is a cornerstone of the Instant Pot brand, and the Rio Mini continues this tradition with over 10 integrated safety features. Overheat protection, an auto-sealing locking lid, and controlled pressure release systems work together to provide peace of mind, even for first-time pressure cooker users. These safeguards allow users to focus on recipes and creativity rather than monitoring the appliance constantly, which is especially valuable in busy households or shared living spaces. From a lifestyle perspective, the Instant Pot 4-quart Rio Mini supports healthier eating habits by making home-cooked meals faster and more accessible. Steaming vegetables, cooking grains, and preparing lean proteins becomes significantly easier, reducing reliance on processed foods. The yogurt function adds another layer of health-focused versatility, allowing users to create customized, additive-free yogurt at home. Over time, these small conveniences can have a meaningful impact on overall diet quality and food spending. In terms of value, the Rio Mini offers a compelling proposition for users who want premium multi-cooker performance without investing in a larger, more expensive model. It delivers the core Instant Pot experience in a size and price range that aligns with smaller households and minimalist kitchens. While it is not designed for large batch cooking or entertaining crowds, it excels in its intended role as a daily driver for efficient, reliable meals. Pros: the Instant Pot 4-quart Rio Mini delivers impressive versatility with 7 integrated cooking functions in a compact, space-saving design. Its fast pressure cooking performance, intuitive progress indicator, anti-spin inner pot, and easy cleanup make it exceptionally user-friendly. The rosewater finish adds modern visual appeal, while extensive safety features provide confidence for everyday use. Cons: the 4-quart capacity may feel limiting for larger families or those who frequently cook in bulk, and users seeking advanced customization or app connectivity may find the feature set intentionally streamlined rather than expansive. Final verdict: the Instant Pot 4-quart Rio Mini 7-in-1 multi-cooker is an outstanding solution for anyone who wants fast, flexible, and reliable cooking in a compact, stylish form. It simplifies meal prep, supports healthier habits, and fits seamlessly into smaller kitchens without sacrificing performance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Rio Mini is the perfect fit for your cooking lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.